All right, that's our sourdough loaf that we just cut little slits right into. Next, we're gonna come in with our slices of mozzarella, and I just went to the deli to get my mozzarella this time because it's a little bit cheaper and fresher. And we're gonna grab our slice of mozzarella, we're gonna kind of fold it and tuck it into our slit in our sourdough. Now you can use whatever kind of baguette that you want, but I love sourdough and so does my husband. I think it's the best bread for this recipe. So we're really just snugging those right in. I know it looks a little funny, but this is gonna be a super easy and festive lunch appetizer that you're gonna wanna share with your friends and family. My favorite part, which is pepperoni sandwich style. Oh, so these are some big, juicy pepperonis, and we're gonna use the same amount of pepperoni as we did with the mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and fold it, and you guys guessed it. We are going to tuck that right into our mozzarella. It doesn't need to be perfect, just a little peek through, a little pop of red for the holidays. Obviously, we are using our candy cane shaped sourdough, which is the most adorable thing I have ever bought. So we're gonna add our meat into our cheese, just like this, so that we have a delicious little appetizer. Oh, this is gonna be good. Now that we have our pepperoni in there, I have a half a stick of melted butter and my Spice World garlic, and we're gonna add a good amount because we are making some garlic bread. Okay, that might have been a little bit too much, but it's okay. I won't use all of this garlic butter. I will put it back in the fridge and let it harden and use it all holiday long. And you guys know it, we are gonna brush our delicious sourdough. Make sure to get in those slits too so we get lots of garlic buttery flavor. Now, I got this baguette from Disneyland, but I've seen a lot of local bakeries sell these fun little holiday shapes. So just look around. I also think that you could easily make your own sourdough in this shape. I know that that is a huge trend right now to make sourdough bread, just like Taylor Swift. But for me, I just bought mine because the easier, the better. All right, now this is optional, but we are gonna add some dried parsley for a little bit of color and a little bit of festive. Now we have our green with our red, even though a candy cane doesn't need green, but in my brain, I need green. I think I missed right here in the front. Last but certainly not least, just some Parmesan, and we are gonna pour that right on top. This is also optional, but look how fun and festive this looks like. This is gonna be so tasty. Okay, our pepperoni mozzarella bread bake is ready for the oven. This looks absolutely amazing. My oven is set to 325, and this is gonna be in there for 5 to 10 minutes. We just want that cheese to melt. Oh my, this looks so cute.
It looks like a candy cane.
Our little candy cane pizza bread looks absolutely adorable. All right, we are gonna transfer it over to our cutting board. Hot, oh, look how pretty it looks on that cutting board. All right, and the only thing this is missing is some pizza sauce. Oh yeah, oh, that was a hard one. And I'm gonna leave my pizza sauce cold so that we can enjoy it right away, and it could kind of cool down our baguette a little bit. All right. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Oh yeah, easy peasy cheesy.
With pepperoni.
Oh, I'm so excited. So quick, so easy, a showstopper. Oh yeah.
Is it good?
What's not to love?